is gonna be a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. It's my back to school look. So this is the look that I wear if I were to go to school now this year. I know, I mean, back in the days, you know, when I went to school, I didn't wear makeup like this. Because back in the days, I had a teacher telling me, you shouldn't wear any makeup until you're grown enough. You need to cherish your childlike beauty. Because you need to cherish your baby skin before introducing any makeup to your skin. Because you're basically still a child. So I only did my eyebrows and curled my eyelashes. So that's it, you know, that's basically what I did. Put on some lip balm and that's it, you know, because I had a pretty strict teacher and she used to tell me like, you should save your makeup until you're grown enough, you know. You should save makeup until you are in college or at least in high school. And I was like, dang. I was talking about a teacher in my middle school. I didn't wear makeup until my senior years, so yeah. It's nothing fancy, guys, for today. It's just some simple makeup that will last long since you are gonna be spending the whole day at school. It's nothing fancy, guys, very simple, and it's supposed to last long since you're gonna be in the school for a long time, you know, since you're gonna be spending your whole day at school, you know. It's very low profile, it's nothing fancy, it's very down to earth, because you don't want to look flashy at school. You don't want to be catching attention. You don't want to have all eyes on you, you know. You don't want to be a center of attention, you know. So yeah, this is very simple, very down to earth. It's nothing fancy on the eyes for today, guys. Just some eyeshadow, a little bit, you know, transition shade, a little bit peachy, and some shimmers. That's it. Because you want to keep low profile, okay? Because you want to keep low profile at school, so you don't want to be showing off. Because you don't want to be showing off or be center of attention, so you just want to keep it low profile and very simple, okay? Just so you to look nice at school, okay? Just so you to be pleasant to look at school. Just for you to look pleasant at school, okay? Just for you to look nice. Not to be center of attention. Just for you to look nice at school, you know? Not to have all eyes on you. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to be using this Photo Finish Minimize Pores from Smashbox. Actually, you can use the e.l.f. one. e.l.f. has a great primer, but I can't find it in my stash. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. Check out the e.l.f. one because e.l.f. has great products. e.l.f. is a drugstore brand and they have great products. So yeah, I can't find it in my stash. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pores. Because you're gonna be in the school for like a long time. Because you're gonna be in the school for a long time, so you need to make sure that all your pores are well covered. I'm gonna go ahead with this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. It's my favorite drugstore foundation. Actually, it's one of the best drugstore foundations, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and buff it in. I mean, I should have used my e.l.f. brush. I should have used my e.l.f. brush, but I can't find it in my stash. So like I'm horrible at placing things. I mean, I'm horrible at placing stuff. So and this shade is a little bit too dark for me, but we'll make it work. This is actually my tanning shade, guys, so we'll make it work. So I should have used my e.l.f. brush, but I can't find it. I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is actually a pretty good concealer for a drugstore brand. It's pretty good drugstore concealer, guys. It's one of my favorite drugstore concealers. Foundation is long wearing, so I mean, you're gonna be in the school for a long time, so you need to make sure that the foundation lasts for the whole day. I'm gonna be using this Bourjois Healthy Balance Powder. Again, you know, you're gonna be at the school for a long time, so you need to make sure that you don't look oily throughout the day. So this is to control the oil and prevent the shine. And you also need to bring a powder, you know, so you can touch up at school to prevent the shine, okay? Because I don't want to look really shiny and oily throughout the day. I'm gonna be using this Revlon ColorStay Brow Mousse. So this is my first time using this, guys. It's a ColorStay Brow Mousse from Revlon. Okay, so I don't know if I like the brow product, but you can totally check out e.l.f. products because they have a ton of amazing brow products. So yeah, I'm gonna move on with the eyes. I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called the Crushing. It's nothing fancy, guys. It's nothing fancy on the eyes for today, guys. So, because we are going for school, so. It's a nice orangey transition shade. I mean, it's nothing fancy on the eyes for today, guys, because you're going to school. So, I'm gonna take the shade Cola Float on the outer V and on your lower lash. Blend that out again. The first shade. Take the shade Soda Fizz on your lids. It's a gorgeous shimmer, guys. Toppy shimmer. Super gorgeous. Take this shade Chilling for your brow bone. Okay. And Tonic. On the inner corners. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Powder. I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. It's my favorite drugstore mascara, guys. It's my new favorite, actually. Using this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. It's the best drugstore bronzer, guys, with my e.l.f. brush. Smell too, you know. It has that sexy coconutty scent, which I love. I'm gonna be using this Colourpop blush, my Sun and Stars. I'm gonna be using this highlighter from Essence. It's Pure Nude Highlighter. It's one of the best natural highlighters, guys. It's really natural. It's really natural. It's really soft. It gives you a very natural highlight, guys. I'm gonna powder my lip line a little bit. I'm gonna move on with the lip liner from Revlon in the shade of Blush. I'm gonna go in with the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in the shade of Bel Air. I think it's a very natural nude, guys. I think it's the perfect nude for school, guys. It's really soft. very pretty nude. It's really soft, very pretty nude. It's perfect for school. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Glam Glow glosser since I can't find my drugstore one. So, but you can always look into e.l.f. or Milani. Milani has a great one. You need to make sure that your makeup will last for the whole day, you know, since you're gonna be at the school for a long time, the whole day. So you need to make sure that your makeup will last for the whole day. Okay guys, so that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this look, what you think of my back to school look. If it's soft enough, but you can also use it outside of school actually, you know, when you need to run errands or you need to go outside. Yeah, so you can use it for any time, okay? But this is my back to school look for this year. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think of my back to school look, okay? What you think of this look. Let me know in the comments below, okay? Please give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye! Mwah! Mwah! Bye!